Hey guys, it's Logan here. Welcome to the very first dog
Hey, you
vlog.
tell bye-bye.
No.
Are you staying here?
Let's do it now, but
Huh?
just put these right
Bye.
One more. It's okay, Dallas. One more, Dallas. One more, Dallas. You got this.
No.
You'll live. You will live, Dallas. You will live.
Just right on the edge of clipping it where it was leak. And she jerked it. She's not very happy.
You will live.
We have been.
Look at how calm she is now.
Yeah. Get down. She goes out.
Don't hurt Shadow.
That's good for her.
Well, I'm trying not to.
It's good for the heart. No, it is not.
The what?
I eat that. That's good for you. For the heart. No, it is not.
That is very, very bad for you.
I eat that.
Where's
I don't
that?
One more claw.
that.
One more claw, Dad.
No, either.
Me neither.
One more claw.
Well, I do too. I'll eat a little bit.
Right, Jackie? One more claw?
But then again,
Yeah.
my wife and her
One more claw,
grandson
Dallas.
like
It's
to eat
okay.
fish with bones in it.
Okay.
I don't want to eat fish with bones in it. I hate picking it out.
My dad would fillet catfish.
There
so
you
that
go,
there'd be no
Dallas.
bone.
You okay?
Good girl.
The lady at
But
the
that's
wick
so
office
bad.
wants to feed him fish with
Such a
bones
good
in it.
little girl.
Lady,
Oh, you got the camera.
Girl. You
Oh,
did
you look
awesome. Awesome.
Oh, you look the
because it's high in calcium. The bones are.
That's all I use.
You tell me, Tina, what you guys fed him the first night y'all watched fed him overnight?
Hey, hey.
The son of a
Hey.
bitch?
Oh, yeah.
They're a little rough.
Told them
Hey,
to
Sissy.
tell us the next
Look,
time
guys,
you
it's
fed it to
Sissy.
it, make
She's
sure
like-
it
she
had
looks
some
like
of the
Dalmatian.
bone in it.
She's a rescue dog.
Because the bone
Yeah, she's a
is
rescue
where all
dog.
the calcium
Look, this is Dalmatian dog.
Yeah, that's at the salmon patties you get out of the can. They got the bone in it.
Yeah, she asked if my grandma
Oh,
fixed it
I
with the
forgot
bone
to
in
take
it.
But
When
they're
I was
pressure
like, "Thanks, going
cooked."
out, why?"
Oh,
She fixed it.
oh, you left the
Y'all
camera
over there
too.
when he eats.
Oh my
Tell her
gosh.
to leave the bone in.
Oh my gosh.
It's pressure cooked and
Dallas.
you can eat it.
Better for calcium.
You can do
Dallas,
the same way.
Dallas, look at me.
You can pressure cook
Dallas.
trout and get pellet from salmon.
Hey, Dallas.
We ate so
Dallas.
much of it fixed that way we lived in Wyoming. I used
Are you
it for
done, fella?
catfish.
Excuse me.
Put it in half pint jar.
Excuse me.
Open it up.
Well, they do right
Come
there.
on,
Going outside.
Come on.
I'm
Oh,
sure
there
I'll
was
probably
Dallas.
not mind sitting here with him while we go outside.
She gets a treat, Mama.
Smoked salmon.
We are here for the
I do
dog.
not like salmon in a jar.
The dog.
Come
Oh
on,
my God.
Sissy. You get a treat too for being good. Sit
Oh
down.
look. Oh look. Oh yes, they both want a treat.
Sit
They
down.
both want
Sit.
treats. Oh look at this. Look at these faces. Oh there's Dallas' treat. Now Sissy's treat.
Shake. Good girl.
Oh yes, now it's Sissy's
Uncle
treat.
Brian's in there feeding the baby.
Oh look at.
Uncle Brian's feeding the baby some more.
Oh, I gotta record
He
this.
told me.
Uncle Brian is a good babysitter. He loves kids.
Look at the baby. Hi. Hi. Oh. He says hi. He says hi, guys.
Say hi.
He's just staring his eyes at the camera. Okay, this is time for a dog vlog to baby vlog to back. We're going back to the dogs.
Where's your good one?
Can you get my
That's what I
phone?
want.
It's in the floor by where I was sitting.
Okay. Oh, to get the phone. Bye. I'm here to get the phone. Bye. Oh, hello. Oh, there goes Alice.
Lights would come on and everything, but it just click and everything would go off. Move the wire and then do it
There
again.
you go. Oh, where'd you go? There you are.
We had to
Where'd
replace
you see? Oh,
the
I
wire
see.
for the
Oh
power
my
wire
gosh.
for the fuse
Ah,
box
fine.
right when we bought it.
Let's go to that, guys. Oh gosh.
What mean you guys put meat like this?
Hey, Dallas. Wanna go say? Okay, let's go say. Come on. Come on. Oh, there you are. Oh, there you are. No, okay. Make up your mind, dog. Is it outside? Oh! Oh! That's a drinking on a sissy water ball. It's gonna be I'll control the baby. You gotta say, this baby is really cute. Okay, this baby is really cute and tiny. But just like this little girl. Hey, where are you going? What you doing down there? What you doing down there, huh? I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. Hi. Then back to the baby. Hi, dear. Oh, hello there. Hello to both of you guys. Oh, look! Look! Oh! Dallas, please, I want to get this on camera. Dallas, no. Stop looking at your paws. Dallas, stop looking at your paws and make our friends again. Show your, no! Show your friendship with the baby. Show your friendship with the baby. Please animate that, guys. This is just too crazy. Dallas. Show, Dallas, come here. Show your friendship with the baby. The baby. I'm gonna title this. Show your friendship with the baby. Dog vlog 1. I'm gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna do it. Watch. I will. Oh, Dallas. Okay, we're gonna take a break for a second. Cause I'm thirsty. I'm gonna drink this water.
Jason there?
No. Miss out here. Look at my whole dead meat. Oh, look at Brian. Brian, you're such a great babysitter.
Nah.
Disagrees with self. What am I doing? Dallas, come here. Dallas, where'd you go? Dallas? Dallas, where'd you go? Come show your friendship with the baby. The baby. The baby wants your friendship, Dallas. Dallas, where'd you go? Dallas, you weren't here. Oh, what you doing, huh? I caught you red pod, dog. Come on.
Well, she does.
She's trying to eat my food. No, come here, no.
Why don't you take her out?
Show your friendship. What?
Why don't you take her out?
Okay, come on. Come on, go inside. Go inside. Okay, you're going that way. But first, show your friendship to the baby. Come on, Dallas. No, wrong way. Dallas. Oh my gosh, dog.
Take her over there and go to the door and she'll go over there with you. Take her out the back door, sweetheart.
This door?
Yeah. So,
It's cold out there, though. I got the light on, guys. Oh, OMG, it is very cold outside. Come check on me. That does not last that long at all. And I'm glad it didn't because I am cold. Okay. Dallas, where'd you go? Dallas. Do me a big, no, come back here. Do me a big, Dallas. Come here, no. I will catch you red paw if you do that again. You are not to eat my food, and it is my food even though I'm done with it. Show your friendship to the baby. Oh, Sissy wants in. Okay, let's go let Sissy in. Come on, Dallas, let's go. Hello, Sissy, come on. Oh, your friendship. Up, and slip out the butts. No. No, you're not going out there. That place has smoke. The garage has smoke, Dallas. It does have smoke. Intense thinking while feeding the baby. Has intense thinking of magic tricks and such. And that kind of nonsense.
How to torture my little stepdaughter.
Oh gosh. Save me, guys.
Who didn't do what she was supposed to do today. But it's going to be there for tomorrow.
Wait.
And she has to come home.
Wait. Resay that, okay? Hi.
It's going to be there for tomorrow, and she's got to come home sometime.
Sims interface. I'll feed the baby. I'm thinking about your tricks.
She's available for bar mitzvahs, school parties, the singing style, the bomb.
Ryan, I love you so much. And just part of singing itself. Because I'm good. Did you say yeah?
No, I said yeah.
She said yeah. He said yeah. Up, I'm zipping up. Okay. How do I zoom up? Gosh. Hello there. I am saving your seat. That's it for this video, and show your friendship to the baby. Show your friendship to the baby.
Are you done?
Aw. The mom shows love to the baby. But dad shows no friendship to the baby. Why you do this? Why you do this, dog? I love dogs, guys. I'm gonna end it at that. So bye, guys. Till next time, Mifa Gamer. I'm gonna end this video watching the baby. Till next time, Mifa Gamer. Till next time, guys, Mifa Gamer. Bye, Mifa Wolfies.